memastikan keselamatan dan kenyamanan Anda selama penerbangan ini, kami memohon kerjasama Anda untuk membantu kami dengan selalu menjaga kebersihan diri. Kerap gunakan masker setiap saat dan selalu bersihkan tangan Anda secara rutin. Jika Anda mengalami gejala demam, batuk, dan sesak napas, mohon segera beritahukan kepada awak kabin yang bertugas untuk bantuan lebih lanjut. Terima kasih atas kerjasama Anda. Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to inform you that you are not allowed to move to another seat and be seated at your assigned seat during the flight. We are here to ensure your safety and comfort during the flight. We kindly ask that you assist us by observing high standards of personal hygiene. Face masks must be worn at all times and hands must be washed or sanitized frequently. If you are experiencing symptoms such as fever, cough, and shortness of breath, it is important that you identify yourself to the cabin crew immediately. We are here to help. Thank you for your attention. Dan tamu yang terhormat, perlu kami ingatkan bahwa penggunaan power bank atau baterai lithium cadangan tidak diperbolehkan selama penerbangan ini. Dan perlu kami ingatkan bahwa Anda tidak diperkenankan untuk mengantri atau menunggu di luar kamar kecil dan hanya satu orang yang diperbolehkan menemani individu di bawah pengawasan Anda. Terima kasih atas perhatian dan kerjasama Anda. Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to remind you that usage of portable power bank or spare lithium batteries are prohibited during the flight. And has been informed that queuing outside lavatories is not permitted, and a limit of one companion only for children or persons requiring special care. Thank you for your attention and cooperation.